Good afternoon. Okay. As a health system, we're expected to be a place of health and healing, but really our mission really extends beyond the boundaries of our health campus and really into the communities of the patients that we serve to really impact health and well-being. In 2021, UI Health received a 3-year, $9 million award from Blue Cross Blue Shield of Illinois to partner around really moving the needle on health equity. And I have been very proud to co-lead that event. So the start of this award coincided with the pandemic. And so what we were able to do is stand up a very novel COVID-19 outreach project. It involved about 8,000 outreach encounters. Over 80% of these occurred in Black and Latinx patients. We had over 40% of these patients were patients that did not have an established relationship with UI Health, which really spoke to the effectiveness of our community engagement. And we found that patients that were contacted through this project had a 50% reduction in their readmission rates. Historically, our primary service area has had rates of uncontrolled hypertension that have been higher than the national average. Through this pilot program, we were able to stand up a very novel hypertension education and empowerment intervention that essentially paired a hypertension action plan with a blood pressure cuff. And we found that 85% of the pilot participants had a reduction in their systolic blood pressure, and the majority of these individuals were Black and Latinx, and we know that uncontrolled hypertension has a disproportionate impact on these patient populations. I'm also very proud to report that we've continued to see decreases in the number and the rates of uncontrolled hypertension, such that our primary service area now has rates that are slightly better than the national average. Earlier this year, our work around diabetes screening received national press coverage. We found that hundreds of patients that were seeking treatment in the emergency department had prediabetes or diabetes and did not know it. 70% were pre-diabetic, 30% were diabetic. With regards to our cancer screenings, we were able to really supplement our activities through this pilot program, and we have consistently exceeded screening benchmarks for cancer around colorectal, cervical, and breast cancer screenings. And then I finally want to end with an important update. In 2021, UI Health received one of 7 inaugural HFS Healthcare Transformation Awards. This $17.2 million award allowed us to bring unprecedented healthcare, access to specialty care and advanced diagnostics in a community that was definitely in need. We were able to establish the 55th and Pulaski Health Collaborative. Since opening in February of 2022, we've provided care to over 15,000 patients. This is our mission in motion, and there's still a lot of ground to cover. Thank you so much.